Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to unbox the Diecast Toyota Land Cruiser. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. So let's begin. Guys, here's the product, the Diecast scale model of Toyota Land Cruiser 200. Just look at the beauty of this car. It comes in a sleek black color, off-road Land Cruiser. This is a 1:42 diecast scale model. This diecast model comes with a heavily realistic exterior. The metal body, paint job, the rubber tires, the alloy wheels, the tail light, and the grille and headlight. Wow! Also, just look at the well detailed interior inside. The seats. This model comes with two openable front doors and an openable tailgate. Just look at the boot space and the look of interior with these doors. Wow! Now let's take this diecast Land Cruiser for a mini test drive. Like, share and comment on my video. Subscribe my channel for more new awesome videos and click on the bell icon to receive notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed it. Till our next video. Bye.